I'm Ben Abbott. I'm an Education Account Manager here at LapSafe Self-Service Solutions. LapSafe specialise in automating self-service laptop loaning and storage and charging solutions. We've been doing it for over 20 years now and one of the market leaders in that area. The global pandemic has obviously brought lots of different issues and problems within the education sector specifically. The government have been giving lots of devices out to schools, universities, colleges to help with digital diversity. So LapSafe are now working with those schools, universities and colleges within the education sector to offer different ways to distribute those devices to students in need. LapSafe are allowing for students to borrow a fully charged device with no staff intervention. We've got solutions that can cater for a whole class set or an individual student. We're also allowing students to clean those devices and sanitize them as well. The Diplomat self-service allows students to borrow a charged device, also allows administrators to reserve devices, book devices as well, and also manage their assets in a much better way. OnArchon is a hosted cloud application. It allows members of staff to track and monitor everything that's been going on with the service. Sovereign is a brand new solution which allows students to borrow and return devices. It also allows collection and drop-off services as well, with the introduction of break-fix solutions. Break-fix would allow a member of staff, for example, to return a device that's broken. It allows IT staff to then remote into that device and potentially fix it. Also gives the member of staff a new device to use in that time period as well. LapSafe are at Bett this year, Bett 22. We've been here for over 20 years now. Keep coming back every year because it's a great show. We're launching our new Sovereign locker solution and also our UVC sanitizing station. It's great being back at Bett this year. Obviously the last couple of years we've not been able to attend. It's been great to see new customers, existing customers as well, and the response so far has been brilliant on our new solutions.